how to auto download Audible books on Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on this notification or option. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this more icon. Simply tap on more. So here there are different options available. Here simply select settings. So we are in the settings interface now. Slowly scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called auto download Audible books. So make sure you tap it on, and it's on now. So all the Audible books will be automatically downloaded. So the ones that are available and the ones that are free will be in your library. So if you check out your library, all the Audible books will be available too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.